To put the story back as to where architecture was a little bit over a year ago when we started this engagement, we were all using Visio. We were all using PowerPoint. We could communicate with our stakeholders, we could display transition states, we were seeing successes with that, we were supporting the business change. PowerPoint and Visio are diagrams, they're not models. They're difficult to maintain and there's no consistency. When you're trying to communicate with stakeholders, that presents another inherent barrier that they've got to overcome to understand what it is you're trying to tell them. Things really came to a head when we started to support multiple programs of work that were all interacting with each other. When the programs got bigger, as the organization got bigger and the program wasn't contained within the entire organization, we were suddenly looking at getting these kinds of problems that we've seen. Senior stakeholders couldn't see the transitions and change. We weren't communicating effectively enough. We weren't able to maintain the rate of change that we needed to do. So we wanted to tell stories better. Stories are about communicating, and typically they're communicating a story that emerges over time. We needed to stop creating diagrams, we needed to start modeling, and we needed a way to do that.
We've been clearly engaging with SJP, and how can we make this a success? Bruhati has developed a methodology called the success journey that simply addresses the problem with 3 steps. Step 1, enabler phase. We came in, tried to understand exactly what the specific pain point of Ian's team was, and fundamentally focus on understanding your needs, but more your potential. So where can you go? Help you understanding where you can go, visualize it, build a business case for it. Once this is done, we get engaged. There's a contract running and the clock is ticking. We have 8 weeks time to deliver a minimum viable product. With this methodology, we call it the Kickstarter or the MVP phase. We enable the customer to be able to very quickly address a set of pain points and have a return on investment from day one. Clearly, the journey doesn't end there. I mean, we can see we have to put that big flag that says Enterprise Architecture Excellence. And it's a step-by-step set of activities that we do together to improve the enterprise architecture maturity level. We call this phase rollout phase or managed service, where we work with the customer to be able to increase the maturity level in terms of data quality for the data we are capturing, embedding the tool in the operating model, being able to address the challenges of the different stakeholders that are using clearly this tooling.
Critically, the advantage of using Bruhati is that trusted advisor, that filling the gap between the product that you get, that you will buy, which is been built with all the best knowledge and the research and the support to create a best in practice, but to understand your specific requirements. And the advantage you get from the SI is that although they clearly work very closely with the tool, they understand it, they are there to help you solve your business problem.